I, Aditi Vijayalakshmi Gajapathi Raju Pusapati, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly to swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. I, Aditi Vijayalakshmi Gajapathi Raju Pusapati, member of Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly, swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I shall abide by and follow the rules, observe the etiquette, and respect the conventions of the House.
శ్రీమతి అఖిల ప్రియ భూమా